And doctor, sorry, we have to skip the Q&A session due to the time constraint. Yes, you have gained much knowledge from the sessions presented here. Now, I would like to request Dr. Binu Santosh, our co-chair, for the concluding the session. Dr. Binu Santosh Kumar is a renowned homeopath and a trailblazer among UAE homeopaths, who obtained her UAE license in the year 2002 and has been amassed an impressive 24 years of successful practice in the country. Dr. Binu graduated with university rank from Homeopath Medical College, Trivandrum in 1995. For 20 years, she dedicatedly served patients at Reem Medical Diagnostic Center in Sharjah. Her expertise and compassionate approach has earned her a reputation for excellence. Also worked as an IHRC director and Women's Wing coordinator in HMA UAE chapter. Currently, she is working as homeopathy consultant at Elias Medical Center, Sharjah. Doctor, please.
Good evening to everyone. For the last 3 hours, I'm in this room. I'm spiritually elevated now. You may be wondering why I'm using the word spiritual in this scientific session. My perspective, this spirituality is nothing but it's not listening to religious discourses. It's a journey in search of knowledge. Knowledge was there before our body existed. Our today's subject is PNI axis. Dr. Sujata clearly explained what PNI is. But one thing I want to stress is that this PNEI, some research work was done in here between 1970s and 1980s by Dr. Robert Adler. He's considered as the father of PNEI. After the research, the outcome was that there is a paradigm shift from considering body as different compartment to a single unit. That is holistic approach. We homeopaths are not at all surprised to hear all these holistic things because our science is based on this holistic approach. And 200 years back, I think this is done in 1970. 200 years back, our master had said all these things clearly, and we are following that. So it's not a surprise for us, but for the contemporary medicine, I am not clear now. Also, I am not clear whether they are accepting it or not after this research works. This is done in 1970. It's almost more than 50 years in, but still, whether they are considering it or not, I am doubtful now. I don't know because this PNI, where this it's a bidirectional, it's an interdisciplinary science where there is the bidirectional study of the communication of the mind and the body, and what all things we can see in the physical body due to the derangement on the mental aspect. We had 8 speakers, all were equally good. Give a round of applause to all the doctors. But one thing I noticed is our research-oriented work is tremendously increasing. This last 2 years, we could see all research work. Research work means in the form of case studies, case series studies, surveys. All these comes in as research books. These are parts of research work. So that is tremendously increasing. So it's a what I understood, but it's science is growing and we are little open also now, accepting the other integrative methods. Also, we are incorporating along with our treatments. I think when we incorporate all these things, our duration of treatment can be reduced. I think, doctor, you are experiencing all these things, in your practice, you are experiencing these integrative methods. So we can reduce the duration of treatment by the doctor said in autism treatment we can incorporate the cognitive therapies, other therapies along with our medicines, the speech therapies, all main highlights of this Ayushman conclave, and one is integrating last the doctors actually I study a lot of things today, so many new things. This is what we considered incurable. No? From here, it's a big experience for all of us sitting here, and we are becoming more confident also to take cases. We can go further level further.
Thank you very much.
And I'm so proud to be here, and I'm honored to be with this platform to share with senior doctors like Dr. Lakshmikant and Dr. Sujata. And one more main thing I want to just tell is be a passionate doctor, but be more compassionate to the patient. In the treatment of PNI, it's the most important thing. Be compassionate with the doctor. That relation, the faith what we develop in the patient, that is enough. Our work is done. Yes, because our main theme is PNI's main thing is main cause of the disease is stress. If the patient-doctor relation is good, half of the work is done. And we should develop that faith in patients, that expectation. What these are the main two things: minimum medicine and expectation. Two things for the main treatment protocols for PNP. And it's time to wind up. And I want to just remind quote our master's aphorism, second aphorism. The highest mission of a physician is to restore, to cure as it is done. I want to stress that as it is done. Thank you.